Have you ever wondered how numerology can illuminate your most significant life choices? At Numinos, our readings flow through a meticulous 4-step process designed to provide clarity and insight. First, we establish your core energetic blueprint using your birth date and name to reveal foundational numbers like your life path or soul urge. For example, if your birth date reduces to 11, we recognize its master number significance immediately. Second, we identify the specific question or decision point you face, ensuring our focus is sharp and relevant. Third, we compute the transient energies impacting that moment, drawing from planetary hours, current date vibrations, and even Mayan Kin. Finally, we synthesize these numerical layers into an intuitive narrative, offering actionable guidance. This deep dive isn't just about numbers, it's about understanding the cosmic currents guiding your path. So, when facing a crossroads, remember, Numinos helps you read the energetic map,